I used to get super nervous about assembling beef Wellington, but if you just plan ahead, it's super easy. You can make the crepes a day ahead of time, and you can make the duxelles a couple of days ahead of time. Here, I'm just lining up the crepes so that they measure about 13 inches by 13 inches, which is the right amount of space for my beef tenderloin. I'm using a 3-pound center cut beef tenderloin, and I've seared it already, and it's already been cooled. Now I'm going to dot the crepes with my pâté and duxelles mixture, and this does two things for my beef Wellington. First of all, it's going to give it that amazing flavor that we associate with beef wellies, but it's also going to seal in the beef tenderloin and make sure that there's no air pockets around it for when we wrap it with the puff pastry. The beef tenderloin is centered, and then the crepes are wrapped around it tightly, making sure that there's no air pockets. So the puff pastry gets rolled out, again, big enough to accommodate wrapping around the beef tenderloin. I wrap it around securely, again, making sure there's no air pockets, then use a little bit of beaten egg to seal it. I cut off any extra puff pastry and use it for later to add garnish and decorations to my puff pastry. I seal it tightly on both ends as well, and then flip it over so the seam side is down. After I put it on my parchment paper pan, I'm going to decorate it with the puff pastry leaves that I made out of my extra puff pastry. And then it's going to go in the fridge and rest for about 30 minutes while my oven preheats. It's going to get an egg wash, and then voila.